Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to add bulk products to a sales order using an Excel import in Odoo 19. Have you ever received a customer order with 50, 100, or even more products? Adding them manually one by one to a sales order can be very time consuming and error prone. So, in this video, we will see how to add multiple products into a single sales order. So for that I have prepared one Excel here. As you can see from my Excel, we have sales order and sales order lines. So the trick here is we will import them in a parent child hierarchy. So very first we will upload our sales orders as parents, and afterwards we will upload sales order lines as our child. Okay. So, what will be the required fields for the sales order template? So, here you can see we have order reference, order date, and customer, and you can export as many fields as you require, like salesperson and many other fields. And for the sales order line, we have order reference, product or quantity, units, discount, taxes, description, and customer. Okay. So now I'll come to my instance and we will import it. So I'll come to the sales and quotations, this gear option, or you can just come to the orders, import records. Okay, I'll just quickly test it. Okay, so everything seems valid and we will import this. Okay, we have successfully imported a two sales order number 244 into 45. So when you open it, we have our customer. Now we have to add our sales order lines here. Now the question here is how and where we will import the sales order lines. Okay, so this is my list view, and this is Odoo Studio. I'll click on it. I'll go to the edit menu. Okay, I'll click new menu and I'll check on this existing model and I'll write sale order line. And in the model, I'll find my sales order line. Let me find it. Okay, now I'll confirm this from here. Okay, now we have created our menu sales order lines, and I'll quickly just drag upwards under orders and click confirm. Okay, now we have our menu of sales order lines. I'll close this. Okay, I'll try to import the sales order lines from here now. Okay, we will quickly test this. Okay, so it's saying that we don't have the matching records found for the following name in the field product. I'll just select the create new values and test again. Okay, everything seems valid and we are good to import. Okay, so 60 records successfully imported. I'll come to my orders. Okay, so I'll click on this 244. Okay, you can see that we have successfully imported all the child records, that is our sales order lines, product, quantity, units, taxes, discount, everything. In the sales order 245, we have also successfully inputted a product, quantity, unit, discount, yes, taxes, everything. So this is how you can import the bulk products in just few minutes without doing it all manually. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.